bite it.
Wow, I like it. One serving spoon up.
Oh, shaman!
Kalami sa gihimo.
Do you want to melt like this?
Ay! Kanasa! Ano?
Video ba? Kanina ako pala ha?
Ha? Ako mana?
Ha? Okay.
Kanya sa mo.
With seeds and everything. That one is very tasty. Mommy, I want to put extra sauce in the bread and then I want to put that sauce because that one is so yummy.
Muna tanan. Ay, dagana na ito. Di ba mustard na?
Yes.
Burger na si La Jim.
Isa mo yung takmo? Yung takmo mo?
Cheese.
Uy, kalami. Isa pa yung mix.
Kana.
Kani? Kani naka-video man.
What's that? So
Pangyan.
yummy. What's that?
Yeah.
That's enough. That's enough. Morning? Man?
Kita po.
Takob. Look at this
kanam.
one.
What the?
Bunga ingkib anak ron.
Wow, look at this one.
It's so no good.
It's good way to lain.
Mine is good.
Okay na nan. Thank you.
I love it.
With some word.